Ryker parking brake install in record time here. Got the piece, got this all loosened up, got the right drill bit. It's very simple.
Intake covered.
Yep, intake is covered. Pretty smooth hole there. Still got $120 in my bank account. Instead of giving it to the dealership. And I'm gonna get $1 million from YouTube on this video. Over tighten here. Oh. Backup screw.
Well, where'd the screw go?
And the screws are M5s times 10. Found them at Ace Hardware for 23 cents a piece.
M5s times 10.
Yep. M is in Mary, 5 times 10. And they're a perfect fit. So I should have unlocked it before. Let's see. Oh, shoot. The lock does work, even before installation.
There's that extra screw there.
Good.
Be careful, I can push it.
Put that back on, looks like it's a good fit. So, where's my bit? Oh my goodness, I put it over here.
Oh, bro, it's still clocking your time.
Oh, God. Right back up. And it's installed. Boom! Look at that. What is that? 2 minutes? What is it?
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
I'll take it. Look at that. And you gotta finagle it to get it locked. Once you're away, no one's taking it. Put the intake back on, you're done.
Mm-hmm.
Boom.